Hi, let me show you how to enable and disable apps sharing data via Bluetooth on iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Let's start by going in Settings. Now here you need to scroll a bit down to find Screen Time section, and after that check Content and Privacy Restrictions settings. So you need to turn that on by toggling on the switch near the features, so the switch will be green. And if you want to enable or disable apps sharing data via Bluetooth on your phone, then all you have to do is to start scrolling down to find Bluetooth sharing section, and you'll see two options: allow changes or don't allow changes. So this allowing changes locks the settings shown below. New apps will be prevented from sharing data via Bluetooth when you're not using them. And here you'll see apps that have requested the ability to use Bluetooth just in this list. So next to each app in this list, you'll see toggle switches. You can tap on them to enable or disable Bluetooth communication for that app. So like that, it is disabled, and when the switch is green, it is enabled. Also, you can switch to don't allow changes here or select allow changes. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.